go, then you go to hell and go down.
Why you getting
Yeah,
right,
that's
man?
fine. Are you crazy?
You fucking bloody fuck you, bloody fucking mother, bloody fuck bitch, bench bloody.
Bad job, you.
You blackner. Fucking running like lady, eh?
I don't know you are doing like this. I think you are going to accident.
No, shouting at me no good, man. Okay, have a nice day. Bye-bye.
Boom! Talking of ending the year with a blast, we got another unofficial port released for the PlayStation Vita. This time it's Unreal for the PlayStation Vita that has been ported. Now I've played the sequel, which is Unreal 2. Now I've never played this one, and I've tried this game out. It's pretty awesome. It's pretty cool. There's a couple of minor FPS drops here and there when there's too many things going on. However, we got a phenomenal FPS game for our PlayStation Vitas. So we gotta be thankful for that. Thanks to this freaking guy. Holy shit. Weird, like, I mean, the PS Vita, despite its commercial failure, is a damn fucking success in the homebrew scene, you know? So Unreal, it's a first-person shooter game developed by Epic Mega Games and Digital Extremes. Now, it was published in the year of 1998 by GT Interactive. So now this game is kind of like Quake. You're gonna get a little bit of Quake vibes here and there, and yeah, since it's a very old game, so you can expect it's just gonna throw you in the scene and you're gonna have to figure things out as you go. In terms of the performance, you are to overclock your PlayStation Vita. Of course, Cap Unlocker is going to help a lot as well. Since Rinne has unlocked a bit more power of the PlayStation Vita by making use of the Vita GL bottleneck situation, which I've explained on the previous video. You can also check out his Twitter post. Several performance upgrades has been posted. There's plenty of games that got performance boosters. You can check the video out, which will be linked in the description, where I talk about all the games that received a performance boost. Let's talk about the installation process. This is an abandonware freeware game, so you would be able to find this all over the internet. I mean, make use of the Internet Archive websites like this one. And I'm gonna show you guys the next steps. Okay, so time to set the game files up. On the GitHub page, it's not shown properly, like mentioned properly, how to set the game files. It's the same as how you would install it on the Nintendo Switch as well. So yes, this port is also available for the Nintendo Switches. You need the jailbroken Nintendo Switches, okay? Alright, depending on where you have gathered the game files from, the one that I've shown you guys, if you have gathered the game files from that source, then definitely you're going to have to extract. It's going to come in a RAR format just like this and extract it, and you're going to just head over into the extracted folder and head over into the game files folder, and you're gonna find a folder named Unreal. Alright, inside that folder you're going to find another Unreal folder, and then along with all the layout.bin and everything. So just select all those files and the folder, just copy them and create another folder somewhere else, name it exactly like this as Unreal, head over into that created folder and paste all the contents over there. Next you're gonna do is connect your PS Vitas using VitaShell. Once your memory card shows up, you're just gonna jump into the memory card and head over into the data folder. This is where you're going to copy and paste the created Unreal folder, just like this. I already have it copied and pasted. Okay, once that's done, I'm going to show you guys the next steps on the PlayStation Vita itself. Okay, so we're on the PlayStation Vita. Just disconnect your PlayStation Vita's cable, exit out of VitaShell. The next thing that you're going to need is VitaDB Downloader, and if you want and a bunch of other important plugins and prerequisites, I'm not going to go over them every time I'm going to make a tutorial video like this, because I have a dedicated video where I show and mention all the necessary plugins and prerequisites that are required in order to run these unofficial ports and also get a proper PlayStation Vita jailbreak experience. So refer to that video, which is going to be linked in the description. Okay, now you're gonna need this particular app called VitaDB Downloader. It's by Rinne. Now make sure that you're connected to the internet and run this application. You're gonna just select and install the game. So it's going to install the game for the very first time. So just yes, it's going to prompt you. It also has data files. Yes, and let it just do its thing. is going to download and install everything. The same goes for updating the game. As you can see that I'm updating the game, already installed game. So this is how you're going to update the game of that. Okay, so our game has been updated. For you guys, the game should be installed. After that, you're just gonna go ahead and run the game. There you go. The game is running perfectly fine. Let's just see if... Okay, so this here is the game. I did run into an issue where the character models were not being loaded when I was on the character selection screen. Expect that to happen for some of you guys. If it doesn't, then it's great. You're the fortunate ones. If you're kind of like an unfortunate fuck like I am, then you're just gonna have to start the game a second time, and that's going to do the trick. And let's just hope this here is the case with the loading situation as well, because if we are gonna have some issues with the saving and loading, then well, we're gonna have a tussle with the muscle, you know. Cause how is it possible to finish the game in one sitting? Well, you're gonna have to be a crazy fuck, like how I was during my teenage years or my early 20s. So yeah, let's just hope we can load the game up. Load the game up, bro. Do your charm. Let's go. Oops. I guess we're having some issues with the load game feature. So see, you're just thrown right in the middle of everything, you know. And you're gonna have to figure your way out, you know. So yeah, that's basically how these games were during their times, you know. So trying to find the way out is a little bit of a hassle in this first section. You're gonna have to look for a passage which is right to the side or something like that, you know. Did I get stuck? Yep, I got stuck. Kind of like a pain in the butt, you know. But once you figure it out, now this here is the area where it gets a bit confusing, but just don't, there you go. Just look for the green lights and you'll be okay. Well, I showed you guys the passageway. The rest of the stuff, you fucks just figure it out. God damn it, these old school games. These are good ones, but they're also a pain in the ass. Another port tutorial done, and yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to drop in a like and subscribe. And check out my other contents. That's gonna help and mean a lot to me. Oh yeah, by the way, it's time for Christmas. Enjoy the holidays with your family. Family could be blood. It's not bound by blood, but by emotions, you know. So yeah, spend time with those people who are and have always been there for you during your hardships, during your times of test. And yeah, enjoy the time, because you know what, you never know. Time is our best friend and time is our worst enemy. Make use of time in the best possible way you can, especially when it comes to people and creating moments with those specific and important people. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys on the next one, and check out my other contents. Keep on with your continued support, that means a lot. I'm gonna see you guys on the next one. Dr. Brute 7 signing off. Peace. And by the way, happy holidays, and of course, Happy New Year's.